you can read about it in a textbook, but when you're actually there, right? When you actually feel the sweats of, oh, do I need to take this trade off? It's the experience of putting in the work. You can read all day long. You can watch all the videos you want to, but until you're in the moment of making it happen, can you actually pull the trigger? Can you actually do the activity that you've studied for? This is the How to Trade Stocks and Options podcast, brought to you by 10MinuteStockTrader.com, where we cover finance, stocks, options, entrepreneurship, education, and money. And here's your host, voted one of the top 100 people in finance, Christopher Ewell. Are you ready to effortlessly take the guesswork out of trading in only 10 minutes a day? Well, the 10-Minute Trading Room is exactly what you've been looking for. Head to 10-Minute Trading Room right now to learn more and trade alongside us inside the 10-Minute Trading Room. Be sure to like, subscribe, and watch all of our past episodes. Good afternoon, traders. Happy August 23rd, the year of our Lord 2023. Happy 8/23/23. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I'm not going to keep you too long today. Let's go right into our market analysis. All right, welcome to the 10-Minute Trading Room. This is how to trade in only 10 minutes a day and exactly how to take the guesswork out of trading. Now, with our outlier trading strategy, we need to always go with the market. Now, I was just taking a look at it a moment ago. What we see here is the 10 is under the 20, price is over the 50, and prices over the 10, prices looking at the 20 period. So yeah, this is not a trend that we want to see right now if we're going to be bearish, and it's definitely not a trend you want to see if you want to be bullish. Price is over the 50, but price is in between the 10 and the 20, and the 10 is under the 20. So, we would not be adding any trades today. Yesterday we did put on some new trades as price ended up down here. And while this is a strong up day, that doesn't mean that the whole bear market, the bearish trend is over at the moment. But it does not conform to our trend template for the market in order to put on new trades. So we will not be putting on any new trades because of this. But market breadth still ultra weak, only at 36% of stocks above their own 50-day moving average. So that makes today a defensive day. We're already in the market, but we're not adding any new positions. So will we be taking ours off? Let's take a quick look. Here are our rules to get out. We have AA and TFC. So an AA, an Alcoa, price is basically at where we got in yesterday. So it's not impacted by the 10 period. It's not impacted by the half ATR. And on the outlier data, this is good. It's still a really strong sell signal. Once we get past the F4 shade or F0 shade here, once we get past this, after I back tested this, what I found is that anything past that, you can go 2 shades darker. So it's still the same shade of pink as of yesterday. So we're looking for 2 shades darker of pink. And that would be a closing signal as well. So nothing to do on AA. AA looks fine. Let's take a look at TFC. TFC, it's gone up a little bit today, but it's still not a half ATR, so there's no stress there. And it's still not at the 10 EMA, so there's no stress there. So all that's left to do is look at the outlier data to see we have not gotten to the F0 shade of color. So we have not achieved that point yet. So the sell signal remains valid. Now, as we saw yesterday, there were nearly 300 sell signals because of this downside indicator. That's on basically every stock out there right now. So while the market is strong today, I think the overall trend is going to continue down based on the data that we have, based on the trend that's been going on right now. So nothing to put on, nothing to take off. Just holding tight, letting the market tell us which direction it's going to go, and waiting for our sell signals. Jesse Livermore is saying the real money is made in the waiting. Waiting for your trade to set up, waiting for your signal to get out. And in the meantime, don't do anything. So let's move to our final thoughts. Hey, this is me. 1 year of active trading beats 10 years of reading and watching videos. Experience can't be bought. I fully agree with that. There are scenarios where you can read about it in a textbook, but when you're actually there, right? When you actually feel the sweats of, oh, do I need to take this trade off? It's the experience of putting in the work, right? You can read all day long, you can watch all the videos you want to, but until you're in the moment of making it happen, can you actually pull the trigger? Can you actually do the activity that you've studied for? Perfect example is, let's say you are a huge basketball fan, right? You love basketball. And every night you're watching the Lakers. Every night you're watching LeBron. Every night you're watching them. You know all their stats and everything else. And you've never stepped foot on a court. Do you actually think that you could beat any of your friends at the game of basketball just because you watch it? I would say no. But if you put in a year of working on that craft, if you put in a year of practice, and then also became super obsessed with it, watching every basketball game you possibly could, yeah, I think you could put in a lot of, I think you could put a lot of people down. Imagine watching a game and watching how LeBron plays, taking notes, and then taking a year of doing everything you can, watching what LeBron does, putting it in practice. You'd be an outstanding basketball player. And that's kind of the same and kind of the case with trading, is that if you want to be an amazing trader, you can read, you can focus, you can obsess over trading, but until you actually start trading itself, that's when the experience comes, and that's when the skills actually get developed. So thank you all so much for coming to today's 10-minute trading room. Nothing to do today. Stay patient. This market's really iffy right now. It could go either direction. And of course, follow the rules. Have a fantastic afternoon, and I'll talk to you soon. Hey, don't forget, head to 10minutetradingroom.com to learn how to effortlessly take the guesswork out of trading in only 10 minutes a day and start trading right beside us in the 10-minute trading room.